YouTube? I'm back at it again with another video for y'all. I know it's a little bit dark out, but I am gonna go to this car meet. Hopefully everything goes well, nothing goes bad, you know. But yeah, we're gonna go to this meet. If we get some runs, we get some runs. If we don't, oh well. But yeah, we're currently headed there. They started this thing late, so I don't know. I was like, why 11? But you know, I don't make the meet, so it's whatever. But yeah, man. Oh, there's a cop right there. Hopefully he doesn't turn around. Okay, we're good. Yeah, man. Hopefully nothing goes wrong, bruh. Praying to God right now. Please just keep us safe. But I'll let y'all know when we get there. Big demon. Jeez. Oh, there's another Hellcat. Damn. What the? You got the demon right here on the headlight. Oh, I thought it was gonna hurt. Oh, I know that. I've seen this nigga before. Yeah. But we blend in, boys. Jeez. They don't know it's a 5.7. Y'all, I think we blew the fucking engine, bruh. No. The car's like literally smoking from the back right now. And then I came to a stop and it was like do 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 do, like it wasn't sounding right. It don't even sound right now. I'm just trying to, and I'm literally going home. No, nigga. Yeah, bro, it's cooked. Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to find out what it is as of right now, but yeah, it has a weird chop idle, and then when you put it in reverse, feel like right under the driver's seat and on your feet, you can hear like something's banging. I don't think we blew the motor on here, because if it would have had a blown motor, it wouldn't have even turned on or moved or anything. So I'm gonna try to find out what it is, bruh. Alright, so if y'all could see, it's like hella smoke coming from there. I think I like cooked the cylinder head or something. If not, I don't know. I would just have to take out the valve cover to see. Because yeah, there's a lot of smoke. It's still smoking from there. There's a lot of smoke coming from there, and I literally just turned it on to show somebody like the oil pressure, and I immediately turned it off, and it's like hella smoking. So yeah, I'm gonna have to check that out, bro. If not, bigger block it is. Loki want a 426. Nah, I'm just playing, but yeah, man, this is cooked. I'm gonna come back to it once I come back from where I gotta go. So yeah. What's good, YouTube? This is another day. I don't even know when I started this video. I think I'm gonna start the video. I'm starting the video with me just saying, oh, I've blown my engine. I don't know, but man, it's been a struggle these past, I think, 2-3 days. I've been trying to find what's wrong with the car, and I can't seem to find the problem. As you can see right here, I took out the valve cover, the intake, you know, all that, just to see. I was like, okay, something under the valve cover is like messed up, you know. So I took it off. Literally nothing wrong under the valve cover. Like, there's nothing wrong, nothing misplaced, nothing broken, like nothing out of the ordinary. So I was like, then what is it? Like I still can't find the like issue, you know. I'm gonna just, I guess, put this back on, since there's like literally nothing here that's wrong. My only guess is the supercharger. Yeah, just making like a weird idle noise, like on the, let me, well, I can't turn it on right now, but on this side, the exhaust is like it'll idle and it'll do like a thump noise. I'll play the video right here for y'all can see. But yeah, it makes that thump noise, and yeah, my exhaust is not even like, yeah, I don't know, bruh. I'm not understanding. My exhaust is not like hanging or nothing. I get no check engine light. There's nothing dripping under the car. I don't know. I'm like hella confused on why it's doing what it's doing. And then I message people and they don't know what it is. Like, bruh, I don't know. But yeah, I've been struggling this past 3 days trying to figure out what's going on with the car, because it's throwing smoke from here, this little hole, like a little bit, and then when I rev it, it'll throw a lot of smoke. You can see right here, it's like from the smoke. And then it just falls onto exhaust. It falls onto the exhaust, and the exhaust just burns it up. But then the idle is off, like very off as well. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, bruh. I'm trying to get in contact with people to see if they know what's up, because I am completely clueless on what's going on with the car, bruh. It's not showing any signs. It's just throwing smoke and a weird idle sound. That's it. Took off the valve cover, as you can see, and I can't find nothing, bro. Literally nothing. I mean, I could take out the spark plugs to see, but I doubt it's a spark plug, because it would have had a nasty misfire. And I mean, yeah, that's another thing I could do. Or another thing I could do is probably take out the supercharger lid and see if the little blade things inside the supercharger are like broken or like have any damage to them. But that's as far as I could go. Like, I don't know what else could be, you know, making it do what it's doing. I don't have a blown head gasket. I'm pretty sure it would have been leaking or something. I don't know, bro, but I'm gonna put this back on and try to start it up again to see. Well, I mean, like, clean everything, you know, like down there at the bottom right there where this meets. It has oil, so I'm gonna clean like around the edge and clean this too as well. Put it back on, start it, see if that solved the problem. I mean, I didn't do anything, you know, but see if that solved the problem. I'm take out the spark plugs, I guess, just to see if they have like any problems with them, like burnt or broken. But yeah, other than that, that's really all I could do. I mean, I could try to take off the lid. I don't even think I could take off the lid right now. Yeah, no, I don't think so. But yeah, man, I'll get back to y'all once, I don't know, I find a solution, I guess. I started and I show y'all or whatever, but I'll get back to y'all. All right, so it was the next day. I had to put something on the gasket of the valve cover to hold it down because it was not staying. We got that on there though. I had to leave it overnight to dry because, God, it wouldn't stay. I mean, even though when I was trying to put it on, it wouldn't stay. But we got it on there. I just torqued it down right now. So right now I just gotta finish up putting this back on, the little coil packs, and plug everything back in. Also disconnecting like hoses like this, for it could be way easier for me to put on the valve cover, which it was. I didn't remove nothing major, you know. I think there was a car accident I just heard right now, but yeah, we got the hoses out the way, for it could be way easier for us to install the valve cover or put back the valve cover, which it was. But yeah, like I said, I did not find anything. I'm gonna try to take it to somebody that actually knows, because I don't want to keep messing with it and actually mess something up, you know. So I'm gonna just take it to somebody, see what they tell me. But it might not be right now. It might take me a while, just because, you know, I'm dealing with something else at the moment. But yeah, that's that. I mean, I'm gonna put everything back together, start it up just to see if it's still throwing smoke. I mean, it probably will be still throwing smoke, but I'm gonna give it a try. And yeah, man, it's pretty cold out here. And hopefully this damn gasket on this valve cover is on correctly, because golly, bro, golly, the gasket on these valve covers are so shit. They're so shit, bro. Like, you don't understand. Like, it has like this little groove on the valve cover where the gasket goes, and you gotta like, you put it in there, but it just comes out on its own. So yeah, I don't know. I'll get back to y'all once I put everything back on though, and I'm about to do the cold start. All right, so it's like very late now. I got it back together, put on the valve cover. Is the little seal thing on right? I don't know, but I try to use that glass or mirror thing to see under, but I could only see from here. From here it's good. I don't know if the back is good, because I don't have a small mirror to look back there. Whew, that was a lot of talking. But we got everything back together. The reason why that towel was there is because before all this, I would turn it on, it will smoke from that little hole right there, and it was just throwing it onto the coolant reservoir. So it was making it like, it was kind of like burning it, or not burning it, but I don't know, just that's there to block it, just know that. But everything else is on. I'm gonna try to turn it on just for a couple seconds, just because it's already dark and I got neighbors, and I don't want to be that annoying dude at like 10, 11 at night with the car on, you know. But I'm gonna turn it on right now for like a cool second and turn it off, see if it still throws smoke or whatever. Pretty sure it will. I didn't really do nothing but take out the valve cover and put it back on, like, bro. Oh, and check the spark plugs, that's it. But yeah, let's get to that. What a sad story, man. All right. See if it turns on. Should I turn it on, bro? I'm debating. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's smoking, bro. You can see. Oh, I think it smells. Yeah, you can see, like, it's still smoking. Yeah, man, I'm gonna just take it to somebody just for they could, like, you know, see what's wrong with it, because I don't want to keep messing with it and make it even worse, you know. So I'm gonna just leave it as is right now. But like I said, I don't know when I'm gonna get to it, just because I'm gonna be straight honest, I'm low on money right now. For those that say that I found a money glitch and this and that, like, nah, bro. Like, I still got a 9 to 5, you know. I'm not doing nothing different from y'all. So right now, we a little bit low on money, keeping it straight up, and that's why it's gonna be sitting, not for a long time, you know, but until I get my dough up and take it to somebody, because I'm pretty sure if I take it to a performance shop and tell them like, okay, do a diagnostic or like see what's wrong with it, they're gonna want to charge me a good amount just to go through it and see what's wrong with it, you know. So yeah, man. And how am I gonna get it to that spot? I don't know. I'm gonna try to look around and see where I could take it. That's gonna conclude this video. I mean, it's not very much. I know it wasn't very much, but if y'all liked or enjoyed the video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and I'll see y'all on the next banger. Deuces.